Step-by-step installation of SQL Server 2017 Express Edition on Windows 7, 8 or 10. This we will learn today. Hello friends. So let's start. Installation have total 6 steps. First we will show SQL Server does not exist on the machine, and at the end we will show SQL Server working for us by creating the database, table, and finally by running the query. Step 1. Shows SQL Server does not exist on the machine. For that we will search SSMS and we can find there is no application with the name SSMS. We will go to step 2 now and download from Google Drive. We will paste the URL here. It is added in the description as well. Here we have two folders, step 1, step 2. Now we will click on the link download all. Then go to the download folder. We will have a zip folder. Now we will extract this zip folder. Once the extraction is done, a folder will get created. We will go inside the folder. We have two folders, step 1 and step 2. In the step 3, installation of step 1, we will go inside the step 1. Now we will right click and run as administrator. SQL Server 2017 have 3 installation: basic, custom and download. We will go with basic. Click on basic. Now we have to click on accept button. Installation location we don't need to change, remain as is. Click. Now download get started, and once the download is complete, installation will get start. We don't need to do anything. This will take care automatically. Now we will hit the close. Installation is completed successfully. We don't need to change anything, just we need to close. This will ask, we will click on yes. Now step 1 is complete. In step 4, installation of step 2, we will go inside the folder step 2, right click and run as administrator. So location we don't need to change, just we need to click on the install. This will take little while to complete. You can see installation is complete and we need to close it, or you need to restart the machine and you will find SQL Server installed. Now step 5, showing SQL Server installed successfully. We will again search SSMS. Now you can see an application with the name SSMS. Click on this. You can see SQL Server installed here. A server name created automatically. You don't need to change anything. Just you need to click on connect. Right click, hit on new database. Give the name of the database. I am giving as my database. Now database gets created. We will create a table now. We'll go new, then table. We are giving name of the column. First is ID and the data type is integer, int, and second column as name, varchar 50. We will hit on save. Now it asks for the table name. We are giving the table name as customer, then OK. Now table gets created. Let's see. Go inside the tables and we can see now edit 200. Here we can insert the data directly to the table. First is ID 1 Alok Ranjan, ID 2 your name. Now we will run the select query. Now you can see the result from the customer table and from the database which we have created.